turang sa tal tu kaya na banua. Ito ba? Nagtanong dia po sa ibig.
Wow! Oi!
Santa masana nung ni nambe dede. Ano nung da banua? Nung li tutu ni milita ke mga prestin. Ano matang ni sigili po. Kung sa tao nga, ni damdam, ni bambu, tadi dikin na nabi bakal lumata. Kaya man yun, indami tiwala naman indam-dami. Nanon rumakin na nabi bakal lumata, kita nagabo. Sana mo yan, basta ka na kaya tamat, usak ka ng doon para matayo ko. Kaya basta ka isip-sew, na ito tao. Noon na doon na matay tino di bitikil ko walo. Ano wala ko, i-tradition, sa atin ko matanda. Ano kaya mo riya sa sarang ito? Tunggu sana.
Iya.
Kawasin kawasan tumas na. Nangan ka mga waturanga. Nangan na itatawas sila.
Ano ko ba kinang tuka? Ano naman daw lang sa kachumay na sila hindi kaya na nabudi. Sa nabudi sa kachumay malatin na lako ni pinggara waro mo daw lako turu mo gori. Aro ko bisa kachumay kanto kay sa kachumay na chiku-chiku teder kan na bol daw kalau kata sa kachumay na kanang lako mata ni kato ba mo turang na mata hindi dai. Sa ba binatay sa kachumay.
First of all, on behalf of the nation and on behalf of government, I just want to congratulate each and every one of you, young man, for your selection to represent Fiji on these forthcoming Tri-Nation Games between us and our neighbors, Australia and New Zealand. Well done. You are now going to represent our beloved country. Our prayers and good wishes go with you. And at the outset, I just want to acknowledge and thank you for following our traditional protocols by coming here this morning to present the tatau. This is unique because of the way we do things. You are representing your families, you are representing your schools, most importantly, you are representing our beloved nation, Fiji. And as I said, the nation will follow you when you leave our shores with our prayers and our good wishes. We are still on a high because of our win in Rio. And I have no doubt that they will continue on from where they left off. And on that note, I have no doubt and I have every confidence that you will make us all proud. Enjoy your tour, learn as much as you can, but as members of the team, look after one another and play as a team and win as a team. So on that note, thank you once again for coming in this morning. So nice to see you. The future looks very bright for you young players. And congratulations, I've just been told that you beat the under 20 on a friendly match not too long ago. Well done. Now what? Roll. We certainly look forward to meeting you when you come back. And for some of you, this is the beginning of a journey that our elders and our forefathers had paved the way for you and I, particularly for you. Legacy of success and pride in representing our nation. The world will be watching any Fiji team that leaves our shores, whether it's the 15's code or the shortened version. As far as the 7's code is concerned, we are the world champions. I have no doubt that you will certainly stamp your mark as world beaters too in the 15th code at your level. So I wish you well. Have a successful and good trip. God bless you, and may God go with you. Nawali.